Hello everyone, in this video we will just configure and create the environment for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, which editor we should use, which one should download and which extensions we should install for that, and also how to connect HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And also we will run our first program for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's get started. Okay, the first of all, the editor. Okay, which editor we should use? The best editor nowadays, that is VS Code, Visual Studio Code editor, which is provided by Microsoft company. So run the VS Code in a browser. After that, come here to the download section, click on download link. After that, you will see this interface. Okay, you can download VS Code for Mac, Linux or Windows. Okay, just press these buttons, so you will be able to download that. Okay, so after downloading it, just install it. Okay, I hope that you understand how to install the program. Okay, so after installing VS Code, I have already installed the VS Code. Open Visual Studio Code and create a folder. For example, in a hard drive I have a folder. Just come here, and here I have coding folder. I will open this coding folder inside VS Code. Okay, come here to the file, open folder and press this coding. Okay, and select the folder. So after opening the coding folder, now we will create 3 files inside this. Okay, by clicking this icon we will be able to create a file. For example, this is name it starting, like start. Okay, start.html. This is HTML file. Now we will create CSS file. Okay, style.css and JavaScript file, script.js file. After creating these 3 files, we will write code later, but first of all we will come here to the extension. Which extension we should install for writing? Okay, to help with us, come here to the extension, this left sidebar, to this extension. After coming to the extension, I will just show to you these extensions you should install. First of all, live server. Okay, I have already installed, but I will show to you live server. Okay, here you will have install button, just install it. After installing it, this will help with us, okay, to launch our development local server. It means that whenever we would like to run our development server, so we will, by for example here in VS Code you will have this live server. Okay, by pressing it, it will run your code, and also whenever you make change, it will automatically update that. Okay, you don't need to refresh again and again. This was the live server. The second extension is HTML, CSS. This is for the snippet and intelligence of HTML and CSS. Install this one. And after that, lastly, another extension which is for the JavaScript. Yeah, this one, JavaScript ESX. Okay, this for JavaScript snippets. Okay, so after installing this, you have other options also, like rename tag. Okay, rename tag, this one, auto rename tag, and prettier other extension. Okay, you can install them. Okay, but for now these 3 extensions are essential for you. So after installing these extension, now let's start our coding. First of all, come here to the HTML. Here in the HTML page I will write this exclamation mark. After that, press enter. It will automatically generate the starting code for you. Here I will write first program. Okay, down here we will write our HTML code. Control B, it will close the left sidebar. So after that, let's write here something. Okay, let's div element. Inside div element we will have h1 tag, and this h1 tag we will just write welcome to coding journey. Sorry, what is doing? Okay, save it, and let's assign a class name to this. Class name and container, for example, container. Now let's write, first of all we will run our server. Okay, so to run our server, just by press this button. Okay, right now press this, it is closing right now. Okay, the server has been closed. Now let's press this go live. Okay, go live, press this, it will run our server and it will run our app. See, welcome to coding journey. So after coming running it, now let's move back and we will add CSS code to this. Okay, for the CSS, come here to the style.css and we will just use this .container class. Okay, this one, .container, and here we will write background color. For this background color, like that would be black. The background color is black, but .container h1, to the h1 we will assign color like white. Okay, or yellow. the background color of this div element is black, where the text color of this h1 is yellow. Now let's import this style.css inside this HTML file. Okay, we will just write style, sorry, link. We should use link, not style. Okay, link. So after that real style sheet href, we will write here style. CSS. Both are at the same directory. Okay, if that was in another directory, then we will use back, go back from this folder to another folder. Okay, but right now they are in the same directory. We can write like this. Now let's check it. Okay, see, the background color is black and the text color is yellow. Now let's use the JavaScript. Okay, we will write something in the JavaScript document that write, and we will just write JavaScript code. Like this simple, we wrote this code. Okay, now let's import it inside HTML file. At the end of body tag here, we will import that. Okay, script src dot script dot js. Sorry, not dot, that script.js. Save it. Now let's import it. Okay, let's check it. Okay, see, JavaScript code. We have the JavaScript code here. So it was the setup of Visual Studio Code, and also running your first program using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.